Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy A07 if you forgot the password. Now there is only one way to unlock the Samsung Galaxy A07 if you forgot the password, and that is by doing a hard reset. And with this process, you will delete all the data on your Samsung phone, including the lock screen password. Now to do that, just use the charging cable of your Samsung phone and connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Then connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Just connect your smartphone to your PC. Now after you connect your smartphone to your PC, the next step is to press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your Samsung phone goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now on this screen, just press the volume down button and select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. And once you select Wipe Data and Factory Reset, just press the power button to confirm. Now just press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm. And once you wipe all the data on your Samsung phone, now just press the power button and confirm Reboot System Now. As you can see, the hard reset process has been completed. Now to unlock your Samsung phone, first of all, just tap on English. And from this languages list, just select your language. Then tap on OK. After that, just tap on Start. Now just select Agree to All and tap on Agree. Tap on Setup Manually and tap on OK. Now from here, just connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi. Once you enter the password of your Wi-Fi, then tap on Connect. Then tap on Next. Now on this page, just tap on Use My Google account instead. Now in this section, just enter the Gmail address which was logged into your Samsung phone. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. And in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Select Skip and tap on Skip. Now just select Don't Copy. And from here, you can sign into your Google account or you can skip this step. Select Skip. Now if you want to enroll a new screen lock, just do it from here. Otherwise, you can tap on Skip. Select Skip anyway. Then tap on More. And tap on Accept. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can tap on email or phone number over here. Or you can tap on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Then select Set Up Later in Settings. Select Skip and tap on Skip. Tap on Agree. From here, just select your display mode. You can either select dark mode or you can select light mode. For now, I will select light mode and tap on Next. From here, just tap on Home. Now, as you can see, we have successfully unlocked our Samsung phone. And this is how you can unlock the Samsung Galaxy A07 if you forgot the lock screen password. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.